Babalik na tayo. Okay, fourth floor. We're here na. Open sesame. Diyan yung gamit. Okay, hapon na tayo. Dito na tayo. Sorry. Velvet Terrace. Cinema 4. Diretso dyan. Kaliwa dyan. Cinema 4. Hanapin mo yung number 4. Sa dulo si. Ayan. Ito yung mga gamit. Yung speaker na ibababa natin doon yung malaki. Pero yung boot natin doon na tayo sa taas. Paano tayo masyadong magkakot na marami yung mahirapan tayo. Diyan na tayo magpesto. Oh, mas malamig dito kasi sa ano. Okay, good. Set up lang tayo, guys.
Grade 6 and 7 grade 10. They have satisfactorily completed the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education. By virtue of the authority delegated to me by the school's division superintendent, Dr. Jeneline Rose Basa Corpus, CESO 5, and by the attestment, presentation, and certification of your principal that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements for the K-12 enhancement basic education as prescribed by the Department of Education. I hereby confirm your completion and graduation. You may now accept your diploma and certificates. Congratulations.
To our guest speaker, Certificate of Appreciation is hereby awarded to Dr. Pernita L. Datu for her invaluable and meritorious services rendered as guest speaker during the 14th commencement exercises and moving up ceremony with the theme Filipino Youth, Building a Stronger Future for a New Philippines, given this 28th day of May 2024 at Fairview Terraces Cinema 4, Novaliches, Quezon City. Signed, Eva V. Bautista, Licensed Professional Teacher, Masters of Arts in Education, School Principal. Cynthia F. Francisco, School Directress. wonderful. Honors.
Ako ng anak ko sa lakwatsahan. Nandito ka, kaway-kaway ka, mga lakwatsera.
Drawing objects, counting numbers, learning our ABCs. We can write our names, spell out loud and hear. We can sing songs of love to our half-abandoned team. Dearest Mama, dearest Papa, yes, they thank you to send me here a lesson, yes, we are happy as can be. To you the best of mine, to really love the time. Believe me, I can fly, I'm sailing in the sky. To you the best of mine, to heaven in the sky.
To Saint Alexa Elan D. PSO ACC Paligsahan sa pagkukwento, 3rd placer, with honors. With honors. Lynn Joji V. With honors.
Can you feel it too? It's nights like these that only prove, and this is when the moments start to memories, and this.
Here. Our graduation
Director.
is the first of the series of accomplishments that we will surely achieve with the guidance of our parents and the people around us.
Grade 8, Humility, under the supervision of Miss Michelle M. de la Cruz. Rivera, Calix Jazz G. Achiever.
Outcasts and rebels, anyone who just dares to be different.
Grade 10.
You've been trying for so long to find out where your place is, but in their narrow minds, there's no room for anyone who dares to do something different.
Knowledge and experiences you've gained so far will serve as the foundation for a prosperous future, accepting the journey with excitement.
We now hold in our hands our certificates, the proof of our little struggles, the guide through our journey. We pledge to uphold and uplift the vision of our school by doing only the best.
What's real from what is not, what I've got, more than I ever hoped for, and a lot of what I've hoped for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no power of grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through, thanks to you. Perspective, showing me how to feel and how to take the mistake we were put together. And if I break down, forgive me, but it's true that I am aching. I did my best, I made it through, so now I'm watching my dream come true. It's that day I worked so hard to make it, so now I'm ready to go. I did my best, I made it through. I think I learned all I have learned, now I'm ready to go. The future's looking good to me. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Yeah, the future's looking good to me. I am ready as I can be. Yeah, the future's looking good to me. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Yeah, the future's looking good to me.
Alaala ko nung puno, handang harapin ang bagong kabanata.
I know this world seems so big, and everything seems so out of reach. The sky is high, and the walk is wide. You just don't know what you've got yet. It's in the palm of your hands. It's right in front of where you stand. If you believe, baby, kahit tamis, kahit sarap, ngunit ito na ang huli. Kailangan na yata natin umuwi.
Ngayon, nakatapos ka na. Lagi sana ikaw mag-pray. Nawa ay maabot mo ang mga pangarap mo. Nasa likod mo kami. Basta, kapit lang sa Lord. Congratulations, anak!
Surprise! Congratulations, Isay! And until 3 points! Isay, congratulations! Congrats, Isay!
Ay, congrats!
Next level ka na!
Talaga naman.
Be good always!
Keep on praying. Congrats po.
Congrats, Isay!
Hi, Matt. Congratulations and happy graduation. I am so proud of you, your ate, your siblings, your lola and lolo, and and your titos and titas. We are all here to support you and to achieve your goal. Happy graduations and congratulations.
Hi Dustin, I'd like to take this opportunity to inform you how proud I am. As your father, I would ask you, just keep up the good work and continue your dreams.
Hi Dustin, congratulations on your graduation. Remember to always pursue your happiness. Always make sure to follow your dreams and enjoy your senior high school life.
Closing remarks
The youth
from Eva.
today. You are the innovators, the leaders, the change makers who will build a stronger and more prosperous Philippines.
Okay, paakap na. Uwian na ang mga graduates. Cinema 4. Ayan na, naglalabasan na, uwian na. Tapos na. Okay, pakap na tayo guys. Okay na, nagdala tayo sa pull out na tayo. Nantay na lang yung service on the way na. Tayo sa terraces, pull out na. Yan, tayo sa terraces. Pauwi na tayo. Pull out na, ginabi na kami. Makina. Rama mo na. Atras tayo. Delivery bag.